Mike here with Eastside Property Solutions. We are here to show you a house that we just wrapped up. For starters, I want to show you a couple things. We have can lights in this house, but we have a little switch up. Check these out. Mood lighting can lights. You can work in the kitchen or have breakfast with a little mood lighting. As you can see, we also did under cabinet lighting, which is also kind of nice in the morning and in the evenings. All right, as you can see, this homeowner did a two-tone kitchen. We have blue on the island and white for the rest of them. These are all Dura Supreme cabinetry. These homeowners picked a blue tile for their backsplash, which really tied together with the island in blue. Little features here in the corner. You're cooking. This is the baker's corner where you can keep all your baking utensils. Over here we have the spice rack side of things. A nice tall spice rack. So one of the unique features of this island is the homeowner picked this stool for the kids to help in the kitchen. So they can stand down here, prep in the sink, and it goes both ways. Quartz countertops over in this corner here. They used to have IKEA cabinets for their bar with frosted glass. Now we have actual cabinets, countertops, backsplash, and under cabinet lighting that ties into the kitchen, and some nice rain glass. All right, as we head down the hallway here, we did a fireplace upgrade. We did all new doors and millworks and trim, and this floor, it looks like traditional hardwood floors. This is actually LVP. So this fireplace, as you may have saw in the previous pictures and videos, was cobblestone done fairly poorly in rough shape. So this homeowner gave us a quick drawing of it and then gave us the freedom to go with it. And we came up with this. This is a mantle blue tile around it and a gas insert that's controlled with a remote. All right, I want to show you the bathroom. It's a little different, but it got a simple update. So of course, taller cabinets, no more than 30-inch tall cabinets. Fresh paint, new doors, but check out the shower. So this shower looks like wavy tile. This is actually an Onyx kit shower. So this is one panel. We've got a decorative strip, another panel at the top, a little crown molding to top it off. It's got a shampoo niche in the corner. It's a very waterproof, low maintenance system. All right, so this wraps up our last project for 2025.
We are so incredibly grateful that so many of you welcomed us into your homes and trusted us with your projects. We're booking 2026 and we hope you'll give us a call. Thank you.